Hello, welcome back. So, are you excited? So, ngayon, mayroon naman tayong product sa Libgood na i-introduce. So, dati, pag gusto natin or spirulina, isang produkto lang yan. Pag sinabing ga, isang produkto din. Aloe vera, isang produkto din. Barley, ganun. But, kapatid, alam mo ba sa Libgood, kung may tinatawag tayong sa coffee na 3-in-1, sa Libgood, mayroon tayong tinatawag na 5 or 10 in 1. So ito yun, si Super Greens. So sa Libgood, mayroon tayong tinatawag na Super Reds, mga pula yan. So of course, pag sinabing Super Greens, so lahat ng mga greens. So yun. So yung sinasabi ko sa una, so dito sa isang canister, ito ay may laman na ng spirulina, may laman na moringa, aloe vera, barley grass, oatgrass, chlorella, ashwagandha, probiotic, and many more. So baga, ang dami na ng laman na hinahanap mo. So hindi na pag tigi-tigi, hindi na pa isa-isa. So all in one na talaga. Sulit na sulit. So when in fact, itong super greens natin sa Libgood, ito ay mag-promotes ng proper digestion health. Yung immune system natin mapaboost nito. So, of course also stress at saka energy and recovery. So, for more dun kapatid, please watch the video.
Did you know that as many as 9 out of every 10 people in the world are deficient in one or more vitamins or minerals? That's why so many people get trapped in an endless cycle of sickness and disease, never fully able to maximize their body's full potential. But filling those nutritional gaps and taking the first step to maximize your health is easier than you may think. Introducing the most complete nutritional supplement ever created that everyone should be taking every single day. Live Good Organic Super Greens. Formulated with the world's most powerful superfoods, including spirulina, recognized as the most nutrient-dense food on the planet, packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, along with helping to manage cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and even improve muscle strength. Ashwagandha, scientifically recognized to help relieve stress and anxiety, lower blood sugar, improve sexual function in women, boost fertility and testosterone levels in men, help improve restful sleep, and support brain health and memory. Probiotics, to support a healthy gut and digestive system. Chlorella, for its antibacterial, antivirus, and anti-tumor properties. Alfalfa, to help lower cholesterol, help manage blood sugar, and even help relieve symptoms of menopause. Aloe vera, for its anti-aging properties, skin health, and facilitating metabolism and healthy bowel function. Moringa, to fight inflammation and protect the liver. Matcha green tea, for weight management. Dulse, for bone strength, eyesight support, and thyroid health. Dandelion leaf, for digestion. Wheatgrass juice, for inflammation and colon health. And so much more. Just mix 1 scoop a day with a glass of water for a delicious way to protect the most important thing in your life, your health. All in one USDA certified organic delicious blend that is like a safety net for your health. And with Live Good's exclusive direct-to-consumer model, you can get the highest quality super greens on the planet at a price of less than half of similar products on the market. And if all that wasn't exciting enough, all highest quality Live Good products come with a full 90-day money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love organic super greens, just send back the empty bottle and we'll give you your money back. Order yours today and take the first step to maximizing your health. Live Good Organic Super Greens.
Okay, yes. So, super greens. So, of course, super greens natin kapatid is purely organic. So, bakit nasabing purely organic? Then, makita natin dito sa label. Yan. So, organic siya. And of course, it is approved by USDA, United States Department of Agriculture. So, yan. So, purely organic talaga ito, kapatid. And when in fact, yung super greens natin, kapatid, it is being tested by a third party na laboratory. So, hindi yung laboratory ng Libgood. Hindi yung co-company ng Libgood. Third party. So, ibig sabihin, ibang klase, ibang laboratory. So, parang maiwasan yung bias. So, naturally, that one. So, when in fact, our products sa Live Good, they are really known in purity and potency. So yan, kapatid. So itong super greens natin, it is keto-friendly, gluten-free, dairy-free. That's why, yung super greens natin, murang-mura lang. Magkano lang ba to? Pinakamura sa buong mundo. Pag member ka ng Live Good, just only $18. Yes, $18. Or pag hindi ka member ng Live Good, SRP, $24. So ilan yan sa piso money? Pag member ka, more or less mga 1,000 pesos lang. Oh, kita mo, ang laki-laki, 1,000 pesos, ang daming laman. Okay? Compared mo sa ibang brand, nasa mga 60 to $100. So, malaki talaga ang diferensya. Bakit mura sa Live Good? Kasi produkto ng mga Live Good hindi pinapatungan ng presyo. Kung ano yung presyo paglabas sa kanyang manufacturing process, sa kanyang pabrika, then yun na, walang ipinapatong. Kasi hindi dito nilagay yung pangbayad ng mga opisina, pambayad ng mga empleyado, mga bonuses sa mga CEO o sa mga country manager. So wala yan. So yan ang kaibahan sa produkto ng Live Good. Kaya murang-mura. And in fact, Live Good will offer you a 90-day money-back guarantee. Yes, 90 money-back guarantee. Pag di mo gusto, di ubusin mo at saka isa uli mo sa Live Good. No question asked. So yan kapatid. So how to use? Simple. Isang scoop nito, since powder, ilagay mo siya sa 8 ounce na water. Mas maganda kung malamig, or any favorable na drinks, ihalo mo lang siya in any time of the day, with or without meal. So ganyan lang kapatid. So for more information, feel free to ask me, and if you want to join Live Good, feel free to ask me how. Ask me now and ask me how. Thank you very much.